I spoke with Montgomery County Health Officer Dr. Travis Gayles about his resignation and all his hard work in successfully leading the county throughout the COVID-19 pandemic.
I've enjoyed the opportunity and privilege to be the health officer for Montgomery County, both before the pandemic started and certainly working through the pandemic. And I say that because, one, the residents here value health in a meaningful way. I don't think it's an accident that Montgomery County is typically rated one of the healthiest counties in the state and the country.
So tell me a little bit about your resignation. What led to that?
The most important factor for my resignation was I was approached and presented with a phenomenal opportunity, both from a professional and a personal standpoint. As many folks know, I'm a pediatrician by training, and a large portion of my career, at least I hope a large portion of my career, it's been evident that I have been committed to looking at issues of access to care and improving health disparities. And so I was approached about an opportunity to work with a company whose mission is to improve the health status of children and through increasing access to care, particularly through the telehealth platform. And after having conversations with that company, it's called Hazel Health, it became clear that the opportunity to serve as their chief health officer was the logical next step for me in my career.
Got it. Now, you also mentioned a little bit about the governor having a little bit of backlash from him. Did that maybe play a part in it as well?
Well, I think certainly anytime you make a professional or life change decision, you've got to think through a host of different things. It has not been easy in some of the rhetoric and feedback from some folks in the community, but let me be very clear, at no point did that challenge or diminish our standing on principle and doing what we felt was right based upon scientific and clinical principles in terms of the guidance that we've put forward. So I am leaving Montgomery County because I was approached by an amazing opportunity. But yeah, you certainly do have to think through some of those other factors and features in terms of comfort level, in terms of pursuing your next steps. My last day will be September 12th, which actually is right at my 4-year anniversary. And upon that time, I will transition out, and Dr. James Bridgers, who's currently our deputy health officer, will serve as the acting health officer until a full-time replacement is found. It's been a privilege and an honor, and in the pandemic space, I've thoroughly enjoyed the opportunity and thankful for the residents of Montgomery County ultimately inviting me and our team into their homes to have conversations about COVID and what they need to do to stay safe.
Jordan Lindsay, reporting for MyMCM.
Information is key. To stay informed on what's happening in Montgomery County, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.